Good morning or good afternoon. I'm sorry. Uh, okay, so today's class is we're going to answer the questions gave you before quickly, and also we will discuss consonant clusters within and across words. So quickly, let's go to page number 23 and look at exercise 8.1. Here we have to divide the words into either one consonant, two consonants, three consonants, or four consonants. Now the first one, and I have to play the video before we start. Uh, okay, here you go.
8.1 Accents Against Aspects Attempts Axe Catch Contexts Diamonds Ears Earth Grasped Laughed Ledge Next Risked Sculpts Stamps Tempts Touched.
Okay, so let me answer this question. Now, one final consonant sounds. We have four words here. We have the word catch, we have ears, we have earth, and we have ledge. Because these words end with one consonant, which is the cha in catch, the is, the za in ease, earth, the tha in earth, and ledge, the ja in ledge. The two final consonant sounds are x, the kesa, the cansa, the x, laughed, the fanta, and touched, the chanta. So we have in the second final consonant sounds we have three words, sorry, x, laughed, and touch. The third one we have three consonant sounds. We have accents, we have against, aspects, diamonds, grasps, next, rests, stamps. And the last one we have one, two, three, four. We have four words. We have attempts, context, sculpts, and attempts. You feel, well, now you feel that you find that we have four consonants in the last four words: attempts, context, sculpts, and attempts. Okay, now the next exercise, I'll play the video, I'll play the recording, and we will answer the questions here. Listen carefully.
8.2 Examples.
It was a long jump, but he risked it.
He helped us a lot. 1.
It's my turn next.
So here, there's no any simplification or any deletions. It's my turn next, so that's fine.
2. It's a recording of regional accents.
So here we have a sort of, simplification because he said accents instead of accents. So the T is mispronounced. Is it dropped out.
3.
Don't forget to buy some stamps.
That's good. There's nothing wrong with it.
4. I've always been against it.
So he said against it. Nothing deleted or simplified.
5.
The question has a number of aspects.
So here, the number 5, the girl read the sentence as this: the question has a number of aspects. So the T is missed out or is left out.
6. She loved diamonds.
So here we have also another simplification. She read diamonds instead of diamonds. So the D is missed out or left out.
7.
It was taken out of context.
Here, there's nothing wrong.
8. They grasped it easily.
And the last sentence, he read it, without any simplification. He doesn't miss any letters. He read it as they grasped it easily. Okay, so now we go to exercise 8.3. Now 8.3 and 8.4, you have to do them at home. Just you have to choose between accept or accepted, paint, pain, designers, design, faster, fast, trays, trains. So simply you have to circle or underline the correct word once you hear to these sentences. I will upload the listening to your e-learning. Now the next one is 8.4. Here we have a clip or a speech said by what is her name? Let me see. Anna. Yeah, so Anna failed her test to become a newsreader because of problem in her pronunciation and in terms of missing some letters. Now this is the script. We want you to look at the script and find the words that are missed out by this lady. Okay, and what is the correct word that should be replaced? For example, the word police. Think the rose on the south coat. She read it as thin instead of think. So she missed the k sound, and it has to be returned back. It has to be written correctly as think. Now what you need to do is to read this and check where she missed out the letters, where she left out the letters, and you have to put them back. Okay, that's for question 8.4, and I will put the recording on e-learning. Now let's start our new lesson, which is consonant clusters within and crosswords. So here we have consonant clusters, or what we mean by consonant clusters, when we have more than one consonant within the word itself. So it comes in the middle, not at the beginning, not at the end, in the middle. That's called within. And then we have consonant clusters formed by having two words. When you have, for example, two words together, now you form the consonant clusters across words. For example, when you say full marks, or when you say flash flood. Now full mark, the words ends with what? With the la, and start with the ma. So we have full and we have mark. Full mark, it becomes a consonant clusters across words. Across words. Okay, let's read the first 9.a. I will read and I will explain it to you. As you see in this chart, we have three columns. We have consonant clusters starting with two consonant sounds, with three consonant sounds, and with four consonant sounds. I'll read them quickly. We have escape, approach, dislike, address, important, complete, control, expert, translate, 100, abstract, expression, upstream, exquisite, excruciating. Now, as you see in the second column here, we have two consonant sounds. Escape, we have two consonants. Broach, we have two consonants. Dislike, we have two consonants. Now, if you go to the next one, we have three consonants here. We have MPL, complete, control, expert. The last one, we have four consonant clusters. We have the ba, sa, ta, and ra. Abstract. We have expressions. We have upstream. So we have four consonants. Now, as you notice, now these words that we are talking about, the consonant clusters comes in the middle. Unlike the consonant clusters that we discussed before, we talked about consonant clusters at the beginning, consonant clusters at the end, and now we have consonant clusters within the word itself. Okay. Now, if you go to the next one, which is number 9b, okay, I'll play the recording here, which is 33. Yes, here you go. Please listen carefully.
B.
It's an elm tree.
There's a children's playground.
If Tom can't take you to the film, try Mike.
There'll be 3 suitcases, 2 of Joan's plus my own.
Okay, so here we have, now in the first example, 9 number A, we have consonants clusters within. Now the B, we have consonant clusters across the words. So here we have elm tree, elm tree. So elm is a word and tree is a word. Now across the two words, we have consonant clusters, the ma and the tr. The second one is children's playground. Children's playground. Here we have also consonant clusters across the words. Now, if you go to the next two sentences here, the consonant clusters are divided by a pause. They are often easier to pronounce. So look at this example. If you read it this way, if Tom can't take you to the film, try Mike. So here, if you give a pause after film, you will be able to read it easily. Now, if you read it quickly as this, if Tom can't take you to the film, try Mike. That makes it very difficult for students. The last one is, there will be 3 suitcases, 2 of John's plus my own. Now we have a pause after John's, but if you drop out the pause and you read it quickly, you'll say 2 of John's plus my own. Here, this is difficult for you to read the consonant clusters. Now the number C, we will have to skip it. Just do it by yourself. Now, what do we have here? D is the best example of explaining how consonant clusters across words work. We have the first column, the second column, and the third column. Listen carefully to the video recording. So it's number 35, D. Here you go.
9. D. Civil servant. Cough medicine. Electric fence. Full marks. Language lab.
So as you see here, we have consonant clusters, 2 consonants across words. We have civil servant, cough medicine, electric fence, full mark, language lab. Now the second group, which is 3 consonant clusters across words.
Vacuum cleaner. Flash flood. Asking price. Present simple. Passive smoking. Television screen. Winning streak. False friends. Lunch break. Film credits.
So, okay, 3 consonant sounds. We have vacuum cleaner, flash flood, asking price, present simple, passive smoking. Now look at the first example, vacuum cleaner. We have vacuum cleaner. We have the ma, the ka, and the la. So we have 3 consonant sounds. The vacuum, the ma, it ends with the ma, and then the new word starts with the ka. Vacuum cleaner. So we have 3 consonant clusters. We have the ma and the ka and the la. And the same thing goes with all these words that go down. Now we have 4 consonant clusters: intelligent screen, winning streak, false friends, lunch break, film credits. For example, if you look at the word at the first or the second one, winning, or the third one, false friends, we have false, we have the la, sa, fa, ra, false friends. So we have 4 consonant clusters here because we have consonant clusters across words. Okay, I think what you need to do for an exercise. All right, so how about this? We just want you to do exercise 9.1. Here, the exercise is this: underline all the consonant clusters within the words in the text. Not at the beginning, nor at the end. Note that some words have 2 consonant clusters. Now, here we have a text, okay? I don't want you to underline everything. Just I want you to find as many consonant clusters as you can. But the consonant clusters that you have to find, not at the beginning, not at the end. We want consonant clusters within the words, okay? Just within the words, okay? For example, I will give you just one example. The word started here. We have the word started. RT, started. We have the RT, start. That's an example. Now try to find consonant clusters in this with in between. How about this? Just find five words. That's enough. If you can give me 5 words of consonant clusters in exercise 9.1, that would be perfect. That's all for today. Thank you very much. If you have questions, please ask me on e-learning, and also comment on the video on my YouTube channel, because I want to make sure that you watch the video. The video is very important for you to understand.